Hello, hello. Welcome to Shady and White. I'm Marilyn, and today we have the results of our giveaway for November. Thank you, everybody, for participating. We appreciate you all. What I'm going to do, as if you're not familiar with how I do our giveaways, I just do it on a random YouTube picker and then give the results here. And you have 10 days to contact me. And that what you want to do is email me, because I don't email you. I don't put it in the comments. I don't do anything like that. The reason for that is we don't want you being scammed by somebody contacting you saying they're us and they're not. So that way you know that you're protected. So let's copy the URL on here, go over to the YouTube random picker, put in the URL here, go down and do their addition. No, that's wrong. There. Get the YouTube comments. Good luck, everybody. Wild Rose Treasures VA 1837. Hi, Marilyn and Barry. Such an eclectic group of items. The Hager Bears are so cute. Have a nice Thanksgiving. Yay! Well, congratulations. As I said, contact me through eBay, through email at shadyandy@gmail.com. In that email, be sure to tell me that you're the winner, and then we will get you verified and your America's Thrift Supply mystery bag ordered for you as soon as they come available. Again, thank you everybody for participating. Thank you so much for watching our channel. We appreciate it, and we will see you. As I said, I think I said, we hope to do a Cyber Monday video. So be sure to check that out, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.